ordered some avo on toast from this little cafe around the corner. It's like such yummy guac and it's got like charcoal bread. This is what I have to deal with all day long. You are so cheeky. Too cheeky. Oh my god. Excuse me. Too cheeky. I have so much to update you guys on. I'm in the office. This is my little section. I'm just eating my lunch right now. So much to update you on. The house, well actually I've shown you the apartment. There's not much that's changed there. Pretty moved into the office now. I'll give you guys a little tour of what we've got going on. I live in our hazel skivvy. This is a 1 mile skivvy. It just goes with everything. Like I'm just wearing it with some denim jeans. Hello. Sorry guys, don't mind the massive mound of cardboard in the background. My couch just arrived, which I'll show you guys, on my dining table. But what started as the intention of a weekly vlog in the office showing you guys around our new furniture, what we get up to in the 1 mile HQ, has now turned into Sydney lockdown. And so I'm gonna be actually here in my apartment doing really not much at all over the next 2 weeks, except for just obviously working, getting normal stuff done. So yeah, I want to give you guys a little bit of a tour of my apartment, but because there's still crap everywhere and I'm still really moving in, furniture takes so long to arrive. But yeah, we're gonna just be spending some time in my apartment over the next few weeks instead in this vlog. I'm not really gonna be getting up to very much, except for like trying to do some cooking and working and doing hopefully some exercise and stuff. So we'll see what this vlog entails. We're launching our silver jewelry this week along with our new olive bags and tote bags. We have a restock of our leather pants and turtlenecks and things while I'm in lockdown, and we're organizing for this next collection, which is what I'm wearing, which is dropping on the 13th of July. Lots of things to still do. I'm going to be just sort of hustling while I'm here. So this is my little couch that's just arrived. I really need to get the mop and broom out, but it's not really in the right spot yet. I kind of want to move it across a little bit more, but that's where the couch is. I want to get like a little desk area here or something here, like a little chest of drawers, or I have no idea, something there. It's a beautiful sandy beige color. I'm going to have my TV along this wall. See, everything's kind of just all over the place right now. But then when you walk in here, this is going to be my dining room. Yes, it's going to be like a nice little circle room. I've got the dining chairs, my light is up, and this is the table. So once I set that up, it's going to look so fun in here. And when you walk into my closet, this has arrived, this little middle island, which I thought was going to be bigger, but this is sort of just to be like a middle island. I'm going to store some shoes and things in here. But this is my sort of closet. So my like leather pants and my jeans, my maxi skirts and my shoes, identical cupboard just along here, which is a bit of a mess. This is the ski suit that I was supposed to go skiing at the end of July, so I'm not sure if that's gonna happen now. This is our new collection, which I need to shoot a haul for 1 mile. This is again a bit of a mess, but my skincare, my hair care. This is my fake tan / body stuff for the shower, like scrubs and soaps and things. Here as well, just got more like skirts and shorts and drawers. And in this one, just shirts and jackets. My maxi dresses. This cupboard's a fun one, but I haven't finished it. So I've got my necklaces hanging up sort of on the side here, as well as my little like sort of jewelry cabinet. And this is where I sort of keep all my bags and things. So, and sort of like my shoes and a few more shoes and things down here. So again, not finished because like in here you can see I've just got some glasses. This is just like my washing. So very unfinished. Closet's coming together. I've never had like a proper full closet space where I thought this was going to be like a higher island so that it would be like a fun, like you've walked in and you've got an island in the center. So it's a really pretty, like the reason I got it was because this matches sort of the white paneling that I've got on the cupboards. Very Hamptons kind of vibe, but I think I might take it out and use it in the foyer as like a little foyer like entrance thing, and I might get like a little couch in here. So I knew I wanted to move in before making any changes to this place because I really wanted to see what the dogs were going to be like and the cat. And Simba has already tried to pee on my carpet in my bedroom like 1,000 times. So I think I'm going to rip the carpets out and either replace them with carpet and just try to train Simba, or put floorboards in all of the bedrooms too. So I have decided I'm going to pour myself a glass of red wine and I'm going to cook some food for dinner tonight. I have my HelloFresh, thank God. I get the meals for 2 and I've just been making them and then eating them for lunch, which just made everything so easy. It comes in a meal kit. Obviously you get the fresh ingredients plus the meat and then the sauces. So I'll take you guys step by step through the process. They have the easiest guide of all time online for how, like, what ingredients you need and then just the steps to creating the meals. I'm gonna start by preheating the oven. There's Simba. And making the potato wedges. They give you the yummy seasoning. So this is garlic and herb seasoning and we'll put it all over our potatoes. We should just do this in a bowl, but in the oven for 25 minutes. Organic red wine. Semi-cooked onto the pan. So I'm just cooking off some of the onion, partially cooked. So I'm then going to top it with the onion, pesto, feta, and then we'll finish off the chicken in the oven with the potatoes. So that's how it's looking. I'm going to put it back in the oven now. Some white wine vinegar. Olive oil. So if you guys have been thinking about using HelloFresh, I do have a code for you. It is SR40 and that will get you 40% off your first box plus free delivery and then discounts on your next boxes too. So I'll also leave all the information down in my bio. Thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring this portion of the video. I'll show you guys the finished result. It's all in the oven. It smells so good. These chips are so good. That seasoning is so amazing. I like it a little bit burnt, a little bit charcoal. So I'm gonna have some of this for dinner. Then I've just put a bit of the salad with it. Delicious. Move to.
Lower your knees down onto the ground. Take them out to one side. We'll come through the knees.
I feel like I'm just gonna be, this is gonna be a big like food diary of all my food, but look how yummy this looks. All right, oh gosh, I've been sitting here all day just getting work done, so I'm feeling a bit oily and disheveled, but you know what? Being in isolation isn't so bad when you have a job because you kind of just end up working the same hours and getting the usual things that you would get done anyway in the office, but you just do it from here. The only downside is that I'm in the kitchen and I have way too easy access to food. So I've been snacking like crazy today, staring at my computer screen so my eyes feel like they've got squares. Yeah, we're launching our silver jewelry, first silver jewelry collection for One More Studio and a few more of our bags. I'm gonna have soup for dinner tonight, shower, wash my hair. Do you guys find when you're alone, even though I'm alone for the next 10 days, I like to just make myself feel good, like do proper pamper session, wash my hair, even like chuck a bit of fake tan on just to make myself feel good. Look how swollen my eyes are. It's so funny. I feel like I've been struggling to sleep because I've been in my house now for 7 days. So I feel like I've like lost a little bit of the concept of like night and day. Going to bed a bit too late, but still trying to wake up at my normal time. So lacking on sleep, but honestly I feel like I don't need much energy to do much anyway because I sit on my butt all day, so I'm not that stressed about it. It is Wednesday today, so just working We've got heaps of production coming, which we're getting lots of samples and things in for September, designing November, we've even designed February. So times like this is good because it means I can actually like get some work done. I'm gonna be starting semi-active again though because feeling pretty bloated, to be honest. I'm just eating a lot of Uber Eats, trying to cook as well. I've got like HelloFresh and things in my fridge, so I am sort of doing a combination of trying to eat a bit healthy but also treating myself, having a bit of wine. So just feeling a bit bloated and just a bit yucky in my body. So I'm gonna start semi-active and just try to do a workout every day. I would really ideally, if I'm good, like to do one workout as well as one yoga a day. While I'm in lockdown as well, I'm just trying really hard to hydrate myself extra, because you do kind of forget to hydrate because you're just sitting down, you're not thirsty, you're not really doing anything. So I have this Frank Green bottle and it's 1 liter and I'm trying to drink 3 of these a day. I've got 2 sachets of Vita Glow in here in the morning. Before I eat anything else, I will put 2 sachets, because it's best to do it in the morning on an empty stomach. I have my Vita Glow sachets. This one is in the flavor pineapple. I put 2 of these in the morning. And I've also been taking some JS Health vitamins as well, which I've not been very good with that, so I'm not even going to try claim that. Trying to make sure I do sort of stay on top of my health while I'm in here, because it's so easy to let yourself go. It's so easy just to have a few too many wines and a few too many pieces of chocolate and a few too many blocks of chocolate, not in my case, not even pieces. I've been Uber Eating coffees to myself. I deleted the app because I tried to like be good, but then I really simply cannot live without coffee. So coffee in the morning and some peanut butter toast with some eggs. It's also raining outside, which is so nice because whenever I'm stuck inside, I love when it rains. So it's actually quite nice to listen to the rain while I'm working. When I get the coffee in the mornings every day, I get this muffin from Indigo. It's in Double Bay and it is legitimately the yummiest, and they have different flavors every day, so I actually have no idea what this flavor is, but there's one that's banana and choc chip and it's so good. I'm making some chicken, so this is katsu chicken. I'll just pause that. I'm watching the Housewives of New York. Made a little salad. It's got Japanese dressing, spinach, cabbage, beans and some apple. I'm having a little organic red wine. This one is delicious. It's called Farmhand. This is some Asian spices on it. It's from HelloFresh actually. Spices, panko crumbs, and then I've just made a delicious little katsu gravy over here. Good morning, you guys. It is Thursday. I'm gonna set up and do a bar class with Sally, so I thought I would sort of take you through a little time lapse. It's great. In program number 2, in program Ignite, we obviously have 2 more trainers. We have a bar trainer, which is like sort of, it's like Pilates but standing, and it like mixes a bit of ballet into it. It's so hard, and Sally is such a good trainer. And so yeah, this is part of our Ignite program, so I'm sort of skipping through little bits and pieces of the program because I'm only here for another like week, so I'm just doing like bits and pieces of my favorite ones.
Right knee back and up, and then foot all the way down, knees touch. So just a big squeeze of your right glutes with your right knee. Good, just keeping that right knee bent the whole time. 2, last one. Good, so bring that knee all the way down, knees together, then take the knee out nice and wide out to the side, and then pull the knee all the way down through the right hip now, just to allow that right knee to go all the way behind. Yep, so arms in line with chest. As we lunge, open up through the arms to connect the heels. First, big squeeze of the inner thighs. 4, 3, 2, last one.
Okay, so brekkie time. I'm gonna make an omelette. So these are my omelette ingredients: capsicum, mushrooms, spinach, and tomatoes. I'm gonna whip up some eggs. Chili flakes. Nice, delicious omelette, healthy. I'm trying to be healthy today, guys. Hold me accountable. This has been my little isolation snack, having some avocado, tomato, and corn thins, and then usually I've already eaten one, but I usually have 2 peanut butter and honey ones too, so it's a little savory, sweet treat. All right, going out of my little bedroom balcony. I just wanted to quickly pop in and say goodbye. This vlog is like a little bit of a food diary, but I'm going to continue to try vlogging this week so that I stay on top of it, because I know I've been MIA for a little bit. But thank you for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon. Mwah!